In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile credit card payments in Xero in just 5 minutes. We all know how crucial it is to keep our financial records up to date and accurate, so let's dive right into the process and ensure that everything matches up in your accounting system. To start with, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero login page using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, click on the login button prominently displayed. This will take you to the login form where you can enter your credentials. Make sure you input your email and password accurately to avoid any access issues. Once you have your credentials typed in, go ahead and click on the login button again to gain access to your Xero dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by the Xero dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all your accounting tasks. To proceed with reconciling your credit card payments, look for and click on the Reconcile items option. This will direct you to the bank statements and transactions that need reconciling. Next, you'll want to locate a specific credit card payment that needs your attention. Go through the list of transactions until you find the one that requires reconciliation. At this point, it's important to pay close attention to the details to ensure you're working on the correct transaction. The details listed will typically include dates, amounts, and perhaps a description of what the payment was for. Once you've identified the credit card payment, it's time to fill in any missing details to ensure everything is correctly accounted for. Double check the information you input to match up with the receipt or reference you have. This might include categorizing the transaction correctly in line with your accounting practices, ensuring that all data entered reflects the reality of the transaction. After you've carefully filled in the necessary details, it's time for the final step. Simply click the OK button to confirm your reconciliation. This step confirms to the Xero system that this transaction is correctly matched and accounted for, thus completing the reconciliation process. And there you have it. You've successfully reconciled a credit card payment in Xero in just a few minutes. Keeping a regular schedule for reconciling your transactions helps maintain the accuracy of your business's financial records. Make it a routine task to avoid any discrepancies or surprises down the line. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps simplify your accounting tasks. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials. See you next time.